Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off passcode lock on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, tap on the privacy and security option. Here you can see the passcode lock option. Tap on it. Enter your Telegram passcode. Now tap on the Turn Passcode Off option. Tap on the Turn Passcode Off button again to confirm. And this is how you can turn off passcode lock on Telegram.
Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.